glasses. No.
Come on then. Grandma will wonder where you've got to.
I'm going to bike right away. Hey, keep you fit. Keep bike riding.
Nothing that takes 36 grand then.
See you then.
See ya. Bye.
You can't lift your window up, you know. Lift your window up.
I got them both together. They're both together now. Look. Three of them together. Other ones come in now. Other ones come now.
Yeah, two of them. Three of them, isn't it?
Three of them. Yeah.
Three of them, yeah.
Latest with that. I love the tufts on top of the head, and they're breeding plumage at the moment.
That'd be good. Willow warbler. Somebody's seen a willow warbler. Who's that one?
I've not seen any willow warblers yet this year. Red shank.
Oh, warbler. Yeah, see him there.
Have you seen any swallows yet?
The swallows, no, not here.
Not seen any yet, not on. There are a lot of arrived in England, but we haven't got them here yet.
Yeah.
A bit too far up north here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what he's doing, he's shaking his head a lot. I think that must be. Oh, he's mating! Mating! Thought they were going to mate, he's mating. Look, quick, get a look at that.
Oh,
Get him, he's mating. The male was behind
yes,
him.
they are.
The male was behind him, she was squat down. I thought, looks like I'm going to mate. Got a lovely shot of that.
Oh.
Lovely.
Well, if you're not mating, it's certainly checking the heads, look.
You shake their
They've
heads,
got to
yeah.
check their head together, look.
A mating call.
Wow. That's a brilliant to get that shot. Didn't have to
Yes.
get it. And they're checking their heads.
Yeah.
They normally come together, go get some weed and swim towards each other at a fast pace. I know, probably seen them on the telly.
Yeah.
They squat high up in the water towards each other.
They're lovely birds, aren't they?
Brilliant. I've got that on video, that's wonderful. Wow, that's a shot in a lifetime, that.
Right.
Yes, 'cause you don't have to get me, you know what I mean? You could be,
You don't.
photography's like that. You could be there, opportune moment. Right. I thought we were going to meet. She was squat down on the bank and he was behind her shaking his head and lifting his head up, you know. I thought it looked like he's going to do something here.
Again. What are they doing now? Oh no.
I'm going to watch this. I'll run out of film here.
How long did it last for the film?
Well, it's about an hour on here. Can I get an hour's? But I've already got some, haven't I?
Yeah.
And the battery life, I know.
Let's stop until they start mating. Do it like the binoculars and you have to swap back.
Oh, it's off. It's off.
Go back in the water, huh? No, it's looking at the water.
It, Oh, yeah, there it goes, there's off again, there it goes.
Oh my
I
goodness.
thought it was, yeah. Wow. Thank you.
By Joe.
It's quick, isn't it?
Yes, you don't often witness
That's
that,
about-
do you?